Hi there. So in this video, we're going to see how to draw bar chart with D3JS. So first thing, go to d3js.org website, and here you can download the D3JS in zip file, or you can also link directly in your HTML file. So we will see how to create bar chart in this video. So let's start by creating one folder named d3, and inside this you can extract your d3.js and d3.min.js file. I also created one index.html file in my text editor, which is Visual Studio Code. Next thing, you can make sure that this structure directory structure is stored in htdocs of your WAMP server. Okay, now next thing, I'm going to open index.html, and here I'm going to create one HTML file. So starting from that, okay, so first thing, let's add some header content. Okay, so let me add title. Here I'm going to use d3js bar chart. Okay, let's start by copying this d3.js script tag at the top. Next thing, we will add one style type. So style type equals to text slash css. Inside your style tag, make sure to create one div with name bar. Okay, so let's try and put some values for your bar. Let's add display for this as inline block. Okay, next thing, we will also adjust the width to, let's say, 60 pixel, and height to be, let's say, 110 pixel, and finally margin height, or you can say margin to the right, you're having, let's say, 2 pixel, so as to make sure the bar looks good. And then background color for our bar to be dark magenta. Okay, so after that, I just want to make sure that, okay, now inside the body, let's try and add our content. Here I want to use script tag. Okay, and I'm going to create data set with, let's say, values such as 525, 13, 62, and finally 44. So total 5 values. And then going to use d3.select, and we are going to select our body tag, and then select all divs inside our tag. Okay, then next thing, I want to point to data set, which in our case is our variable data set, which is basically array holding these values. Then enter, and then append, then div, then attribute, class, and here I want to name that as bar, so it will take css value from our style. Okay, then we have style that shows height with function, and let's name this function t. Okay, and then inside this function, let's add our variable as bar height equals to d multiplied by 5. You can increase that if you want. Also, we have to return bar height, okay, plus we can use pixel as its property value, okay, and after that we can just close this function. Okay, so this is a simple way to draw our bar chart. You can now open your D3 index HTML page and just refresh it from your location, and here you see dark magenta bar chart. You can add few modification, make it hover selectable, and also you can put some values here for each bar visible, and name your X and Y axis here. Make sure that when you choose hover selection, it shows some change in colors. So this is a simple way to draw bar chart with the help of D3JS.